Today, I'll show you exactly how to use ChatGPT for data analysis the right way, so you can save time, understand your results, and write better research without letting AI do your thinking. Before we begin, if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to AI Tech Tips 360. We're a small, growing channel, and every subscription helps us create more tutorials like this. Now, let's get started. ChatGPT can make data analysis much easier when you know how to use it properly. Instead of spending hours trying to understand statistical results, you can use ChatGPT to recommend the right statistical test for your research, explain statistical concepts in simple language, interpret SPSS, Excel, or survey results, write professional interpretations for Chapter 4, help you discuss your findings, improve the academic quality of your writing, and the best part, you don't need to be a statistician to understand what's happening. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use ChatGPT to analyze your research data faster, understand your results with confidence, and produce a better research project. So let's start with the first step. Step 2. Prepare your data properly. Before ChatGPT can help, your data needs to be organized. Messy data produces messy results. Whether your data comes from Excel, Google Forms, SPSS, questionnaires, or survey responses, make sure everything is clearly labeled. Remove obvious errors. Check for missing values. Organize variables properly. The cleaner your data, the better ChatGPT can assist you. Step 3. Choose the right statistical test. This is where many students become confused. They know their research topic, but they don't know which statistical test to use. Should it be a t-test, correlation, regression, chi-square, ANOVA? Instead of guessing, ask ChatGPT something like this. Based on my research objectives, variables, and data type, recommend the most appropriate statistical analysis and explain why. Notice what we're doing. We're asking AI to guide our decision, not make unsupported assumptions. Understanding why a statistical test is appropriate is just as important as running it. Step 4. Upload your data. Now it's time to let ChatGPT help. Upload your dataset or paste a summary of your results. Then give ChatGPT enough context. Tell it your research topic, your objectives, your variables, the type of data you're analyzing, the software you used if applicable. The more information ChatGPT has, the more useful its explanations become. Remember, context is everything. Step 5. Ask better prompts. Most people ask weak questions, for example, analyze this data. It's far too vague. Instead, and be specific. A better prompt might look like this. Act as an experienced statistician. My research topic is, my objectives are, these are my variables. Explain the most appropriate statistical analysis and interpret the results in academic language. See the difference? The quality of your output depends on the quality of your prompt. Think of ChatGPT like an expert consultant. The more clearly you explain your situation, the better the advice you'll receive. Many students know how to generate tables in SPSS, but struggle to explain what those tables actually mean. This is where ChatGPT becomes incredibly valuable. Instead of asking, "What does this table mean?" ask something like, "Interpret this regression output in clear academic language suitable for Chapter 4 of a university research project." Or, "Explain these descriptive statistics in simple language while maintaining an academic tone." ChatGPT won't replace your statistical software, but it can help you understand what your results are telling you. That's a huge time saver. Before we continue, if you're enjoying this tutorial, please consider subscribing to AI Tech Tips 360. We're a small, growing channel, and every like and subscription helps us create more practical AI tutorials like this. In the next section, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to write your findings, avoid common mistakes that many students make, and make sure your research remains accurate and original. Step 7. Let ChatGPT write your findings. Now that you've interpreted your results, the next step is writing your findings. This is where many students spend hours trying to find the right academic words. Instead of struggling, ask ChatGPT to help. For example, based on this output, write the findings in a clear academic style suitable for Chapter 4. It will organize your interpretation into a professional paragraph. But don't stop there. Read it carefully, edit it, add your own understanding. The final version should reflect your research, not just AI's writing. Step 8. Discuss your findings. One area where students often struggle is discussing their results. It's one thing to explain what your data shows, it's another to explain what those results actually mean. This is where ChatGPT can save you a lot of time. Ask something like, compare my findings with previous studies and explain whether they agree or disagree. ChatGPT can help identify similarities, differences, possible explanations, and even suggest reasons why your results may differ from earlier research. That gives you a much stronger discussion section. Step 9. Summarize your results. After discussing your findings, ask ChatGPT to summarize the key results. For example, summarize the major findings from this analysis in simple academic language. This makes writing your conclusion much easier later. Instead of reading through pages of results, you'll already have a concise summary to build from. Step 10. Verify everything. Here's one rule you should never ignore. Always verify your results. ChatGPT is an excellent assistant, but it's still your responsibility to make sure every interpretation is accurate. Double-check your figures. Confirm your statistical values. Review your tables. Read your findings one more time. The goal isn't to let AI replace your thinking. The goal is to make your thinking faster and clearer. Common mistakes to avoid. Before you use ChatGPT for your next research project, avoid these 5 common mistakes. Number 1. Uploading incomplete or messy data. Number 2. Using prompts that are too short or too vague. Number 3. Accepting every response without checking it. Number 4. Copying AI-generated text word for word. And number 5. Skipping your own interpretation. Remember, your supervisor wants to see your understanding of the data, not just ChatGPT's words. Final thoughts. Data analysis doesn't have to be overwhelming. When used correctly, ChatGPT can help you understand your results, interpret statistical outputs, improve your academic writing, and save you hours of work. The secret isn't asking ChatGPT to do everything. The secret is knowing how to ask the right questions. The better your prompts, the better your results. Use ChatGPT as your research assistant, and you'll become a more confident researcher with every project you complete. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like. And if you want to learn more practical ways to use ChatGPT for research, assignments, productivity, and academic writing, subscribe to AI Tech Tips 360. We're a small growing channel, and every subscription helps us create more practical AI tutorials like this. Also, let me know in the comments. What's the biggest challenge you face when analyzing research data? Your answer could inspire my next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. In the next video, I'll show you how to write Chapter 4 of your research project with ChatGPT, from presenting your results to discussing your findings like a professional researcher. You won't want to miss that one.